Hi everybody, hope you are all doing well. I'm Master Gordon. Today I would like to share with you some Feng Shui tips for the year 2021 Metal Ox year. The Metal Ox year is dominated by the number 6 star in the center. Number 6 star is a lucky star, represent the heaven, mentor luck, all the leaders and the father. It is a hopeful star, so we hope everyone will benefit from it. Suggest you spend more time in the center of your house or your office. Having activities here will be lucky. So avoid storage, clutters and garbage bin in the center of your office or premises. Avoid fire energy in the center. Doing so may burn away the hopeful star. The south direction have the number 1 star. Number 1 star is a victory star that brings winning luck. It helps you triumph over your competitors, winning in a competition. It brings good career and wealth luck. Joining the south direction, we have 2 big auspicious stars, the golden Deity star from the 24 mountain, making the south very lucky. So if your bedroom, if you spend time in the south direction, house that facing south direction, family, middle daughters, and the horse zodiac person will benefit from this lucky indication. Next, I would like to share with you the southwest direction. We have the conflict star number 3 in the southwest direction. Be careful of this quarrelsome star number 3 that brings hostilities, fighting, lawsuit, and severe misunderstanding. Marriage luck and relationship luck may turn back. It hurt the mother of the family, the sheep and the monkey person. Also, if your bedroom or your house main entrance located in the southwest will be affected too. Houses that faces southwest are also affected. Joining the southwest direction, we have 2 negative stars, namely the Yin house star and the Sui Po star, making the southwest very unlucky. Suggest you use fire energy, red color auspicious carpet or red color auspicious picture to suppress the bad star number 3 and the negative star from the 24 mountain. Use bright light in the southwest. Avoid noise, water activities and green plants in the southwest. The current prosperity wealth star number 8 flies into the west, making the west one of the luckiest direction in the coming year. Prosperity wealth star number 8 is an earth element star. In order to enhance this prosperity wealth star, I suggest we have plenty of bright lights and activities in the west. Family, youngest daughter, and the rooster zodiac will benefit most from this prosperity. Houses that face west will be lucky too. But we should not be sitting facing the west direction due to the 3 killing stars from the east direction. Further enhancement for the west, I suggest you display an auspicious ox and some auspicious wealth symbol in the west. In the northwest direction, we have the number 7 star. Number 7 star is a lost star that indicate cheating, robberies, burglaries, as well accident. Both the northwest and the number 7 star element are metal. Therefore, it indicates dangers to all the fathers of the family, all the leaders of the organization, the ball and the dog zodiac person. It also affects you if your house main entrance is located here. Also affect you if your house is facing the northwest or sitting the northwest direction. It is advisable to avoid activities in this northwest direction. Suggest the use of Feng Shui protective symbols and water symbols to suppress the number 7 star. Next, we go to the north direction. North direction element is water. In the north direction, we have the number 2 star. Number 2 star is an eldest star, belong to earth element. As such, you can see the earth element control this water direction. The eldest star in the north direction is made worse by a yin house star from the 24 mountain. It will affect the middle son of the family, the red zodiac person. It also affects if your house is facing the north or sitting the north direction. It indicates sickness related to our blood flow system, kidney failure, and ears problem. For those who are prone to illness, it is advisable for you to stay away from the north direction. Suggest you use Feng Shui protective symbol to counter the illness star. Northeast direction is the current period of 8 ruling direction. Its element is earth. This coming year, we have the future prosperity star number 9, which is a fire element, flies into the northeast. You can see from here, fire is energizing the earth, symbolize good fortune. The combination of the future prosperity star number 9 and the current prosperity star number 8 in the northeast indicate wealth luck just about to ripen. So for houses that faces northeast or sitting northeast is very lucky. The younger son of the family, the ox and the tiger sign person will benefit from this indication. Suggest you spend more time and activities in the northeast. However, in this 2021 Mecta ox year, we have the Tai Sui sitting in the northeast one direction. Therefore, do not disturb his direction. Do not hold renovation here. Do not demolish any structure in the northeast one direction. And avoid confronting the northeast one direction. In order to get the support from the Tai Sui, it's advisable to display his image in the northeast one direction. The conflicting animal signs are the ox, the sheep, the dragon, and the dog. In the east direction, we have the number 4 star. Both the east direction and the number 4 star element belongs to wood. It's good for school children and for those in university to attain academic success. It's also good for those who are single looking for love luck. However, it also signifies romance luck. For those who are married, beware of third-party interference. For the coming year 2021, made worse by the external flower romance star. The eldest son and the rabbit sign person are affected. It also affects those who always spending their time in the east direction. Do take note, we have the 3 killing star in this direction. Avoid renovation, avoid water activities in this east direction. Avoid sitting toward the west direction. In other words, do not face the west direction. Generally apply for everybody. In order to overcome these 3 killing star, suggest the use of red color 3 celestial guardians and bright lights in the east direction. Finally, we have the misfortune star 5 yellow stars in the southeast direction. The southeast direction element is wood. It's controlling this earth element 5 yellow star. Although being weakened in this wood direction, never underestimate the misfortune affliction, made worse by a killing star from the 24 mountain. It affects all houses that facing southeast, all sitting the southeast direction. It also affects if your house entrance or bedroom is located in the southeast direction. The eldest daughter of the family, the dragon and the snake sign person are affected. Do not hold any form of physical renovation in the southeast direction. Avoid fire activities and also avoid red color symbols in the southeast direction. Suggest the use of metal element to suppress the misfortune 5 yellow star.